Malibu, California. It used to be sufficient basically to be substantial and tough. In those more straightforward days, the heavy Expedition and considerably bulkier Excursion wandered the suburbs like two huge grown-up children, fighting with the Suburban and its variations, offering by the fistful. Also, abruptly, huge wasn't sufficient. Automakers made sense of how to make the wallowiest SUVs move. Refinement, quietness, and quality materials invaded the portion. Have you seen a mid-trend Tahoe of late? Cover the identifications and it'd go for an Escalade inside idea from a couple of years back. You can have everything: space for 8, the capacity to tow an oil tanker, Wi-Fi, and even a small amount of off-road ability. Not that you'll utilize it, you can have everything at a cost. In any event, those two have expanded, alongside the Refinement. Incidentally, the Expedition was left in favor of the street. It's not clear precisely when it quit being a class pioneer, yet dumping the V8 in 2015 wasn't sufficient to move the needle. That progression's now. Its stage mate, the Lincoln Navigator, either ousted or is an intense contender to the Cadillac Escalade, contingent upon your point of view and biases. That it's genuinely specified in an indistinguishable breath from that fiercely fruitful extravagance SUV is a major, tremendous jump forward. Getting to the campground won't be a lot of an errand, either, in spite of the Expedition's circumference, 81.6 inches not including the mirrors, monstrous wheelbase, up to 131.6 inches, and tallness, up to 76.4 inches. Indeed, even base XLT trucks furnished with 4WD are fit for taking care of a Forest Service street at any rate. There's no less than 9.7 crawls of ground freedom, and the FX4 rough terrain bundle increases around an inch because of some trimming of the front hair dam. Settle on either the FX4 or the towing bundle, and you'll get an electronic restricted slip raise differential, which helps if it's sloppy or sandy, as does the Territory Administration programming. FX4 additionally incorporates 7 slip plates underneath, which you'll need in the event that you figure you may need to test the apparatus breakover edge. We ran a short course that was an ideal reenactment of a marginally gnarly unchanged timberland street, with 20% levels, free soil, and shakes. The Expedition did fine, and on the off chance that you require more than the capacity to go outdoors up in the mountains, you most likely need an alternate truck. One that you wouldn't fret pinstriping on overhanging branches purpose on touching the Expedition's wide flanks. In the interim, in the event that you have an expansive family, think the Suburban is a bit excessively devised looking, and you have excessively trailer to haul behind a Sequoia or Armada, this is your thing. So we should talk money, since you'll require a reasonable piece to saddle one up. A short wheelbase XLT begins at $52,980. That is a smidgen more than a 2018 Chevy Suburban LS with the 5.3-liter V8, which will run you $51,445. Add $2,600 to advance up to a Max. On the opposite end of the scale, a Platinum Max begins at $76,595 and goes north from that point. Chief trim comes in at $66,125, still well south of SWB Platinum Expedition. Toss motivations etc. in with the general mishmash, and things get much fuzzier.